Lighting is really important in aviary systems, and the actual operation of the lighting in certain sequences will help get the birds in and out of the system in the correct manner. When turning the lights on first thing in the morning, typically we would start with the lights above the system, and we'd slowly increase the light intensity from 0 to 100% on a dimming controller. Once that light's lit, we would then switch on the lights within the system, and then finally the lights over the litter area and lights underneath the system. Some producers like to keep the lights in the litter off until the early afternoon when the birds have finished laying, but this is not always allowed in all countries due to different regulations. When turning the lights off at night time, we basically do the reverse order. So we begin by switching off the lights underneath the system, and then a few minutes later we'll switch off the lights over the litter and the sidewall area. And then we'll switch off the lights actually in the system, so all the time we're drawing the birds from under the system into the system. And finally we'll dim the light on top of the system from 100% down to 0 to pull all the birds finally in there for sleeping. It's always recommended to have all the lights in the house with a possibility for dimming. If birds start pecking each other and cannibalism starts showing, then you can actually use the dimming of the lights to turn the lighting level down and calm the birds and try and prevent the pecking.